By default, when you create an Azure subscription, an Azure AD domain is created for you. This instance of the domain has an initial domain name in the form of domain name.onmicrosoft.com. So the .onmicrosoft.com will always be the suffix for your domain. This initial domain name will be fully functional till the time you have your custom domain name verified. Custom domain name can be your company name or your organization name. Although the initial domain name for a directory cannot be changed or deleted, you can add any routable custom domain that you control. I will navigate to the Azure console here to show you how the custom domain name looks like. Now on the top right hand side, you will see the user ID that you're logged on with. Now, if you just hover your mouse on top of your credentials or the user ID, you will see certain attributes. The last attribute is the domain. If you notice, the domain name is nothing but email address without any special characters, followed by the dot on Microsoft.com. Like I said, this would always be your suffix. You can add your custom domains by going to Azure Active Directory, and then if you scroll down to the bottom a little bit, you will see something called custom domain names. Here you can add your own company's registered domain name here. Let's say you work for www.alphabeta.com, right? And then you can just add domain. Now the most important thing is to go ahead and verify if this domain name is really owned by you. So if you own it, you need to log into the registrar of alphabeta.com and create a text record or an MX record. And once that is created, after some time, you just have to click on the verify button. If this is validated, that means that you really own this domain. Till that point, it will stay as unverified because you haven't proved to Microsoft that you really own this domain. This is nothing but custom domain. But what you get initially when you create a subscription is the domain that starts with your email address without any special characters, followed by onmicrosoft.com.